So I'm here at Spellman Gallery with their in-house record expert, Jeff, and he's going to go over records and the exact type of records that are saleable today. So you might have some of these items in your house, some records, what genres are good and what genres are not so saleable anymore. Jeff, tell me.
All right, I've got a few examples here. This one being a classic jazz record. This sort of thing has been popular now for years and it always sells. People are always interested in it and it's something that we always want. Also have a couple of old soul records. This one by Otis Redding and another one, a classic by Stevie Wonder. These are always in demand. We always want them and we'll always pay good money for them. Another genre is alternative records from the 80s. I have one here by The Cure. These have skyrocketed in value in the last 10 years or so. And it's another example of something that we always want and will always pay top dollar for.
So Jeff, blues, jazz, rock and roll, sounds like those things are pretty popular. What kind of genres are not so popular anymore in today's world?
Show tunes don't do very well. There's not a lot of interest. Stuff like Barbra Streisand is not because of it's not a knock on the quality of the music, it's just that she sold so many records. There's a lot out there. Opera doesn't draw much interest these days. And classical.
Now, what about condition? When it comes to records, is condition important like it is with books and baseball cards and stuff? Does it have that much importance?
Absolutely, yeah. Obviously, the better condition, the more a record is worth. So that's something that maybe people want to check before they decide to sell their records is, what kind of condition they're in. There are some records, even if they're in not great shape, still bring in good money. Like this one here, Love Supreme by John Coltrane. Can still bring in good money even if it's got a few scratches on it.
What's the most expensive record you ever found in a home?
That would be Hank Mobley's self-titled Blue Note record, catalog number 1568. I found one and it was not in great shape, but it was still worth about $2,000.
My God. So you don't know if you might have another expensive record like Jeff found, but if you need to know, you could let us know and maybe we can find you some treasures. Please subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.